This whole animated film came from one sentence and an afternoon of talking to AI. I did not open a single piece of animation software. I just talked to it. OpenArt just launched Director, and it lets you vibe direct a video the way people vibe code a website. What surprised me was that the first render already looked like a Pixar movie. But getting it to something I would actually publish took a few things nobody tells you. Today, I will show you the whole ride, the good parts, the weird bugs, and how to fix them, so you can make one of these yourself. Before the story, this is what it does. Director is basically a chat. You tell it the film you have in your head, and it takes the job from there. My job was just to keep talking back. There are also quick start templates for things like UGC ads, movie trailers, music videos, but I skipped those because I wanted to start with one simple idea. Here's what I wrote. An animated story about a little cleaning robot in an abandoned city who finds a seed, plants it, protects it, adopts a stray kitten, and the three of them slowly build a home together. Pixar style, heartwarming. That was the whole prompt. Before doing anything, it asked me to log the practical stuff. Aspect ratio, quality. Quality is the decision that matters because that is where your credits go. So instead of rendering everything at full quality from day one, I recommend if you want to conserve credits, draft it at lower resolution and save the full quality for when the story was locked. And it did not just take my sentence and run. It came back with ideas of its own. It suggested keeping the film dialogue free, just soft beeps and some warm piece of music that builds. And it came up with keeping the city gray until the seed sprouts, then letting the color leak back in shot by shot. Little things I would never have thought to ask for. It feels like a brainstorming with a co-writer who actually knows the craft. A few minutes later, it handed me a full script split into 6 scenes, where each scene is one video generation. I confirmed it, and it went off designing the characters and the worlds to match the story. And here came the first surprise. The designs were fine, but the plan came back looking like a person. But if we dig further, we can find a reason, and we can find it ourselves. Click into any asset, hit recreate, and you can see the exact prompt behind every generation. This one had run the plan through the character template. So the prompt literally said the same person appear in every view in the prompt. For a plant, instead of rewriting the prompt myself, I just told the director that the sprout should be a plant instead of a person. And it worked out why and rebuilt the reference on its own. And then we got new versions came back. This part is really just like casting. You look them over, you get notes, you approve. So I confirmed the cast and it rendered the full film. Let's watch and see if this is a workable version. Think about what just happened. It looked exactly like a Pixar film. From one prompt, it wrote the script, built the world, generated every shot, composed the music, and cut the whole thing together. And what got me was the music. It actually followed the emotional arc in one continuous piece, not just some loop drop on top. But something was off. At the current version, it was just a run of nice things happening. Although there's a storm, the storm caused nothing. Nothing at stake. It was not a good story yet. So instead of settling for a pretty film with no story, I gave it notes, the way a producer would. The story is too easy, nothing is at stake, the cat has no reason to be there, and the loneliness never get explained. So after my complaint, it came back with fixes I would not have written myself. Instead of a robot that is vaguely sad, it gave the loneliness a reason. A lone dead robot friend it could not save. And instead of a cat that's just cute, it gave the cat an actual job because its digging instinct is what finds a hidden clean water later. Then I added one idea of my own and asked it to make the robot solar powered. So the storm is not just scary, it is deadly. I brought the idea, it found a meaning. This is what co-writing feels like. It re-rendered with the new story, and the render came back with bugs. Some frames had 4 plants instead of 1. A random extra robot wandered in. The plant grew inside a single shot. Wacky stuff happens even with the best video models, which is why director tends to reach for something like Seedance 2 for the best quality. But even the best model slips now and then. This is just what AI generation is right now. So instead of fixing them one at a time, I did 3 simple things. I used the @ sign to point right at each broken shot, so the director knew exactly which clip I meant. I wrote down what was wrong with each one, and I gave it a single instruction: find the common mistake behind all of them and redo them together. It dug into the process and found the root cause on its own. It turns out my plan reference was a 4-stage growth sheet, so the model kept painting all 4 stages at once. Its fix was to split that sheet into 1 image per stage, so each scene references a different stage of the plant. The lesson is to batch your node, point at the exact shots, and let it find a pattern. That saves you a real chunk of credits. One more pass, because the deeper you get into co-creating, the more little gaps you catch. For example, the flowers bloom too fast, growing to a garden in seconds. So instead of letting the garden appear like magic, I asked for a scene where they actually tend the plants over time. The film went from 9 scenes to 10 because the story needed the room. And this is also how director scales. It can build up to 5 minutes in one continuous piece the same way. After all that back and forth, 10 scenes, 4 story rewrites, here is the last gardener. Across this whole video, I never reached for a prompting trick or some hidden setting. I just kept talking about the story. Making a good-looking AI film has never been easier than it is right now. But good-looking is not the same as a story that stays with you. If you wanted to actually move someone, The power still comes from you. If you want to try Director, the link is in the description. I am Miao Miao. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.